Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so let's see Cancer. March energies for you. Okay, we have the 10th house, which is your career. You have the Sun and Aquarius. Oh, wow. So, parang you are going to be the center of attention ngayon sa career mo, sa business mo. So, kung may business ka, maaring you're gaining a lot of mga ang tawag dyan, clients, buyers, customers. Ayan, marami kang parokyano. Some of you will also receive a reward or award. You will be recognized, no, sa career mo, sa business mo, or whatever you are working on right now. The sun is illumination kumbaga, you're the center of the universe. The universe talaga. You're the center of the solar system, 'di ba? So kumbaga, yung attention nasa iyo. Yun nga lang minsan kapag nasa atin yung attention lagi, minsan nakakairita, 'di ba? Or minsan may mga tao na naiinggit dahil sa attention na nakukuha mo. So yung iba sa inyo pwedeng kamag-anak pa yan, no? You have Uthila. This is about your family. Maaring focus mo rin yung family mo. This is also about your properties. So, some of you, maaring meron kayong mamanahin or meron kayong marireceive from your family or your parents, ancestors na magagamit mo para makapagsimula ng negosyo or makapagsimula ng buhay, no? Buhay mo ulit, no? To start something new in your life. Halimbawa, meron kang na-receive na certain amount of money and sapat yun para bumukod ka, 'di ba? To have your own place. O yung iba naman, pwedeng gagamitin yung negosyo. Pangpondo ninyo sa negosyo. You have Suwilu, so this is illumination. So, ang daming energy ng sun, which is clarity, which is liwanag, 'di ba? So, kung merong mga bagay na naguguluhan ka, nalilito ka, confused ka. So, ngayong March, malalaman mo na kung ano yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Things are going to be clear for you. And you also have Gable, which is about blessings, no? Maraming blessings, lalo na sa trabaho, sa career, for you. You may experience abundance. Ito yung tipong kung may negosyo ka, marami kang income, maraming sales. Kung may career ka, may trabaho ka, na-enjoy mo yung trabaho mo, na-enjoy mo yung career mo. Merong growth, may career growth ka, and you feel good about it dahil maganda yung takbo ng career mo. So, let's see what else. Third house, communication. Okay, so pwedeng merong importanteng kakausapin yung iba sa inyo. Pwedeng kapatid mo, pwedeng kapitbahay mo. This is also about learning. So, maaring may mga pag-aaralan ka. Merong Juno rito, which is partnership. So, pwedeng merong business partnership for some of you na parang collaboration, na gusto makipagtrabaho sa'yo, lalo na if you're an influencer, content creator, or yung iba naman, this can be a project merging, no? Magma-merge yung project ninyo if you have a business. Or pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, kapatid nyo, no? Pwedeng nag-iisip kayo na magkaroon ng negosyo together. It's either kapatid or a romantic partner. You also have retrograde, which is to review. So, just make sure na itong papasukin mong partnership ay sigurado ka. No, this can be business partnership, this can be romantic relationship. Um, but for some of you, this is related to yung career path nyo eh. Pag-isipang maigi. Tingnan nyo yung pros and cons. Hindi naman pwedeng agad-agad ipapasok ka dyan. Kailangan pinag-iisipan mo. Dapat buo yung loob mo. Your overall energy is the Elder of Cups. So, this is your energy, Cancer. Kasi water sign to. You have a lot of compassion, love, understanding about your situation. So, I think, ano man itong pinupurso mo sa buhay, especially sa career mo, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Yun naman ang pinaka-importante, diba? Kasi kahit na ano pang amount of money that you are generating, kung hindi ka masaya, parang hindi rin siya worth it. 'Di ba? Pero sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Money can buy happiness. Totoo naman 'yun. 'Di ba? Sino ba nalungkot na may pera? But what I'm seeing here is you are doing what you are passionate about. Kaya ka masaya sa ginagawa mo. Your challenge is the Four of Cups. Oh, okay. Minsan, kapag parang may contentment na, or actually parang hindi rin yung tipong feeling mo okay ka na, nagagawa mo na yung gusto mo, parang naghahanap ka ng challenge, yung tipong gigising sa'yo, no? Parang mas magiging inspired ka. So some of you pwedeng ganun, makakaramdam kayo ng pagkabagot. Or parang you want something more. You want something that will excite you. And then your opportunity is the Chariot. Oh, ang ganda nito. This is about success. Moving forward. Mabilis na pag-arangkada. No? So, if you have a business or career, mabilis ang pag-arangkada niyan, you really know where to go. Kumbaga, alam mo kung saan mo gustong dalhin yung buhay mo, yung career mo, yung situation mo ngayon. And then, your focus is Apprentice of Swords. So, focus mo ngayon to learn, to gain information, to be better. You are, nandito ka sa phase na marami kang gustong pag-aralan. Marami kang gustong i-absorb na information. And then your blessing is the Champion of Swords. So, as a blessing, maaring merong importanteng message for you ngayong March na pwedeng hindi mo inaasahan na marireceive mo. Yung para siyang na pag nalaman mo yun, parang hindi ka makapaniwala kasi akala mo hindi mangyayari sa'yo. This can be your manifestations, no? May manifest mo sa buhay mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. And I also see na merong pag-aayos, no? Kung meron kang nakaaway, na merong misunderstanding with someone, pwedeng sa trabaho, sa relationship mo, ngayong March, you will be able to talk. Makakapag-usap kayo ng maayos and eventually, make amends, maayos nyo. Magre-reconcile. Family wishes come true. O maaring ito yung isa sa blessing ninyo. Meron kayong wish for your family na matutupad. Problems to be resolved. O kung ano man yung challenge, hindi naman nawawala yan sa buhay natin. Meron kang mabibigyan ng solusyon na problema mo. And I think, isa yan sa blessing ninyo. Disappointment in a friend or a lover. O ayun. Yung iba, you might experience disappointment with someone. Ito yung tipong may ina-expect ka sa kanya na gagawin niya or ibibigay niya sa'yo pero hindi niya nagawa or naibigay. Alam nyo, actually, hindi na natin yun kontrolado. No? So, ang kontrolado mo dyan, yung mararamdaman mo. And minsan, mahirap talagang mag-expect kasi nadi-disappoint talaga tayo. So, set your proper expectations na lang. You are highly thought of. Merong person na lagi kang iniisip. So, maaring meron ditong gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. Like, wants to have a deeper connection with you through communication. Hidden secrets can harm you. Nako. Maaring, yung iba rito related sa family, secrets sa within the family na pwedeng dun ka ma-disappoint. Okay, so that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.